Hello, good morning, students. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rina Rashada, and you can call me Miss Rina, right? Okay, my student ID number is 24010500199. Okay, and I came from Group A. Okay, how are you, students? I'm fine too, thank you. Before we start our lesson by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right. Is anyone absent today? No? Okay, no one is absent today. Before starting the lesson, take a deep breath and then exhale together. Understand? Okay, start. Okay. Our them today is units of length and which discussion, interesting, storytelling, songs, and games about units of length and weight. Are you ready, students? Okay, let's start. Okay, today we will learn something fun. Wait, I am share screening. PowerPoint. Okay, today our material is unit of length and weight. Is the PowerPoint clearly visible to the students? Right. But before that, I have some questions. Do you know how long this pencil is? What measuring tools are commonly used to measure length? That's great. Now, what about the weight of babies, the health pulse? How can be measured? Great. Do you know what standard unit are used for length and weight? Okay, the story goes like this. There is a student named is Andy who is making a school project. He has to measure the length of a board to make a box and also weight sand to decorate it. What measuring tools should Andy use? That's right. Today, we will learn more about measuring tools and the standard unit used. In that unit, it is divided into two, namely units of length and units of weight. Does anyone know the units of length and units of weight? That's right. The units of length are basic quantities that have an international standard unit, namely meters, while units of weight are basic quantities that have an international standard unit in the form of grams. Let's discuss unit of length first. Units of length usually use three measuring instruments, namely 1. Ruler, 2. Measuring rule, and 3. Stadiometer. You can see the picture of the two. Is there anyone who has never seen it out all are between the three? Good, everyone understands. Then there are unit of length, namely kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now, every time the unit change, it is divided by 10 or 0 is subtract. Will if it goes down, the number is multiplied by 10 or 0 is added to the number. Go straight to the example question. First, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter to millimeter goes up or down? Smart, down, meaning 0 is added 1 because it only goes down one time. The result is 10 millimeter. Okay. Second, 35 decameter to kilometer goes up or down? Right. Means divided by 100 because it goes down two times. The result is okay. Third, 100 meter to hectometer goes up, down. Right. Means divided by 100, the result is 1 hectometer. Let's move on to the weight unit. Okay, the tool used for weight is usually a scale. There are three types of scales, namely 1. Digital scales, 2. Scales, 3. Market scales. The weight unit is almost the same as the length unit if it goes up divided by 10 and if it goes down multiply by 100. But the difference is only the name of the unit at the end is replaced with grams. Let's go straight the example, okay? Okay, first 1 kilogram, 2 gram, up or down? Smart, go down 3 times, then multiply by it. Second, 12 decigram to centigram is the same down, but only I times so multiplied by 10 or at 0 once. Third, 500 decagram to hectogram up or down. Smart. Go up on Siam will be divided by 10 or means the number 0 by 1. Does anyone to ask? Or maybe there are still those who are confused how to use measuring tools? Okay, it's you. Good question. We can use a meter for longer check to make it more exciting. Let's sing together with these lyrics but using the tune of the song Naik Naik ke Puncak Gunung. Wait a minute, I'll write in on the board to make it clear and more interesting. Are you ready? Right, come on, follow me. Units of length consist 7 types starting from the bottom. Units of length consist 7 types starting from the bottom. Millisentidesimeter, dekahektar dan kilometer. Millisentidesimeter, dekahektar dan kilometer. Okay, 1 units of length. Okay, Okay, first we will sing about units of length. Let's start. Units of length consist seven types, starting from the bottom. Units of length consist seven types, starting from the bottom. Millisenti, decimeter, deka, hekto, dan kilometer. Millisenti, decimeter, deka, hekto, dan kilometer. Okay, second is the unit of length and unit of weight. Hmm, Nah, terus, iya. Second, units of weight. Units of which consist seven types, starting from the bottom. Units of length consist seven types, starting from the bottom. Millisenti, decimeter, deka, hekto, dan kilogram. Millisenti, desigram, deka, hekto, dan kilogram. Okay, have you memorized everything? Okay, then I will test your memorization by saying in groups. Okay, let's start with group 1. Good, you've all memorized. Now, let's take a short break, okay? Drink some water first and prepare your energy for the next activity. Okay, I want to ask for you. Who wants to play? Okay, we will play in groups. Each group consists of 4 people. Later, you will measure object in the classroom using the available measuring tools. Okay, the rules. Each group sit down to measure and record the result. Then after the time is up, they exchange tables with another group. Mom will give a signal when changing tables. Do you understand? Good. Let's start. Okay. This time is end. Come on, come on. It's time to collect your result. Ooh, congratulations to the winning group. Winning group is Group C. All group have also worked well. Applause for you. Okay, this I will stop share a PowerPoint. Okay, how exciting is today's material? From storytelling, songs, and games? It's good if you feel happy because now it's time to go home. Let's end today's learning by saying Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, that's all the learning from Miss Rina. Be careful going home. See you, students.
The following is a reference for this learning video.